3D printing is a rapid construction technique.
3D printing has the potential to change the future of construction.
It requires no phone work and no labor. Everything is automated, so it makes construction very easy.
In 3D printing, we need coders to code. So people from software department or computer science and electrical engineering.
It kind of eliminates some barriers with people that have disabilities. People that are like blind or deaf you may not get to see them in construction.
What excites me is making new models that would not like the usual shapes.
But it also is exciting to learn how to work with 3D printing and learn 3D design skills.
I think it's a complex machine, and it's very interesting to see it run.
We have this 10-week workshop that we're conducting, and this is our pilot program. We have engineering students of different backgrounds, from mechanical, civil and architectural engineering disciplines, from freshman to senior levels, all participating as a team.
In the next couple of decades, I can see 3D printing concrete taking place a lot. I can see it helping with insulation.
I see whole neighborhoods in desolate areas that are a little hard for blue-collar labor, filled with 3D houses.
Will help people to build cheaper houses.
These technologies may enable communities to benefit from locally available materials and have housing and public work systems that are efficient, durable,